We're looking at an 18th century American-produced map of the Caribbean and West Indies. It includes most of Florida here, with an interesting chain of mountains in the north. There is this outline which goes along the shore, which is likely the extent of political boundaries. What makes this interesting is that it was produced in 1797 in Boston, one of a handful of maps of the Caribbean produced in the United States prior to 1800. We see here a tape repair done. There's a tissue repair done here and here to short fold line splits. But as you can see, the map visually presents very well. It's got beautiful hand color. It's engraved by Hill. And so we can look in this cartobibliography here by Wheat and Brun. It's the standard bibliography of maps published in the United States prior to 1800. And when we do look it up, what we'll find is that this is number 699, which is right here. And we see it was published in Jedediah Morse's The American Gazetteer. It's a re-engraving by Samuel Hill of map number 695, which was by Doolittle, interestingly enough, of New Haven, Connecticut, a couple of years, 1 year actually prior. So that's interesting that within 1 year after Doolittle had engraved it, it was re-engraved by Hill. And this map is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.